Okay folks, another way, yet another way that we can customize Invisibly Strong screen protectors. Okay, the 90-degree bend is going to be on every single Invisibly Strong screen protector that we sell and we market. We've already talked about the benefits of that 90-degree bend at the top. Now this bend we can also do on the side. Let's say you're a bar owner and you have a bunch of TVs in your establishment. A lot of people like to come in and watch TV, the sports. And you may get some rowdy people that might want to play with the TV controls to change the channel, turn the volume up, and whatever have you. But you want to keep them from doing that. Invisibly Strong can make another bend here on the side to cover those TV controls, so that way folks can't change the channel, they can't turn the volume up. It's just another way for you to have complete control of your TV so that you run things the way you want to do it.